Good afternoon, welcome back to ExpatCrib. My name is Ian, and today I have another special apartment for you. This one is in one of my favorite zones. Okay, right across from the hospital, Plaza 1 with the Starbucks and all the different restaurants down below, crepes and waffles. And the great thing about this view here is that it's protected, so nothing can be built down in that area there. So, and again, on Sunday afternoons and holidays, right down here, you have ciclovia. Super important. So, super good location. The client is very particular, and he did a great job with this renovation, as you can see. Okay. Really nice breeze coming through. Let's go over to the kitchen here. So he's got a breeze coming through, so you don't even need air con here. You could install it if you wanted, but you don't really need it. So really nice space. And I want to show you right here, he's got this, do this again, kind of hideaway bathroom. He's done a really good job of the lighting here too. So let's take a look. Beautiful hideaway washroom. Okay. As always, I will put all the statistics, the prices in the end screen or at the end screen. Okay. Let's go back here. Let's actually take a look at the kitchen here first. Okay, he's got wraparound seating. And let's go, actually before we do, again, he is a little worried that it's messy, but again, people understand. And this used to be the maid's quarters back here, so he's got this space. It could be a pantry. But again, you've got your washer dryer here, and it's got a little area here like a little coffee zone, which I really like, and a sink, as you can see. Okay, so let's go take a look at the bedrooms now. Again, I love his office space right here. We'll come back. So this is right here is it's got two social bathrooms actually here. So this one here though has a shower, and this one is utilized by the bedroom over here. By the way, this area here is kind of a storage area right now and has a closet, but this could be the third room right here. Okay. So this is the guest bedroom. Again, he's very meticulous. And then here you've got your walk-in closet. This one here doesn't have a washroom, because you've got your, what I thought was a social washroom is the washroom for this room right here, but you do have a walk-in closet. So really nice space. Again, this one is very central, just off of Avenida Poblado. Super good location. Actually had a client of ours look at this a few weeks ago, and he really liked it also. So really spacious principal master bedroom. Okay, and let's go again, take a look at right here. You've got the principal master bedroom washroom. Okay, with a walk-in rain shower, as you can see. With a sink. Rain shower. He's done a really beautiful job of lighting in this apartment. Okay, this is a master bedroom washroom with closet space, as you can see. And we'll take one last look at the master bedroom. And let's head back out. Take one last look at the kitchen here. Open plan. Plenty of space in this apartment. It's got to be at least 140 to 150 square meters, but I'll get all the specifications at the end screen. And just over this way here, just down here is Avenida Poblado. Okay, and there's San Fernando Plaza right there. So just down this way, you've got all your banks. You've got the Marriott Hotel over there, as you can see. And then you've got Mall Oviedo, Mall Santa Fe, and Mila de Oro. Mila de Oro is just over this way here. So super, super central location. And nothing can be built in this area here either. So you're not going to lose your views. And that is the view towards Envigado and Sabaneta. So, super, super beautiful space here. Very clean. What I love best about this apartment is the view from the office space, as you can see right here. And then just off in the distance there, you can see the church, Poblado Church, and then right across from it is Parque Poblado. Down this way here is Astorga and Patio Bonito. And then you see the blue building over there off in the distance. That's Mall Monterrey, the technology mall, which is right across from the metro. So you're not far from the metro here either. And one of the best hospitals in the city is right across the street there, Clínica Medellin. So super, super good location here. I think we'll end it off where we started. So if you have any questions or comments, always put them in the comment section. And if you are interested in this apartment, we'll put all the details in the description below. All right, so this is Ian from ExpatCrib, and we'll see you in the next video.